Hello, thank you for taking time out to understand a little bit more about R3MC Management Consultancy. It should only take a few minutes of your time. This is a natural evolution for BIFA's Integrated Resource Management team, delivering a market-led solution which combines sustainability and the delivery of hard and soft services. And clients want much more than purely waste management advice, and that's what R3MC is about. By wrapping up these diverse services into one consultancy, R3MC will be bringing exactly what UK industry needs right now: sensible, cost-effective approaches to a sustainable circular economy. Now, for the first time, a customer can find solutions to waste minimization, resource efficiency, quality accreditation, closed-loop initiatives, legislative compliance, all under one roof. Now, many years working within integrated waste and resource management contracts and partnering with numerous businesses across all industry sectors, including complex manufacturing organizations, have helped us learn a lot about what our customers need and what our customers want. So we believe we're aligned to modern business challenge faced by progressive organizations today. Now, the challenges I'm about to list here are perhaps obvious, but they are generic across all of the business sectors, and I think worth remembering. And they are sustaining profit amid increasing scarcity of resource, simplifying operations despite increased consumer demand, increasing productivity without compromising quality, encouraging workforce intervention whilst reducing risk to their health, and of course, performing for shareholders and appeasing consumer conscience. Now, we have recognized these challenges faced by progressive business and understand their significance as continuous priorities. And as you see here, broken down into tangible objectives that demand scrutiny, attention, focus, and investment. And they are eliminating waste, managing resources, streamlining process, maintaining a quality control, improving the working environment, instilling sustainable culture, reducing risk to health and environment, meaningful CSR, and of course brand development. Now, each objective we feel is intrinsically related, maybe even unable to exist or survive without each other. They are interdependent. And as such, the challenge for business to hit these objectives is notable and demanding, which will involve many stakeholders and many budgets, but the rewards are significant. Conversely, the risk of not meeting them can have severe implications on an operation, even permanently damaging a brand. They could argue these objectives define what a business stands for and how it can sustain itself. And it's neatly summed up in the phrase economy and ecology, two sides of the same coin, which involves a shift from the linear to the circular economy. And it's based on this philosophy, the necessity for business to hit these related objectives and the varied increasing demands voiced by our customers, that R3MC was conceived. A unique consultancy bringing together experts from the recycling, recovery and resource management industry combined with specialists from the compliance, manufacturing and environmental sectors, delivering under one roof a full range of eco-economic services which will help clients move towards zero waste costs, minimize their impact on the environment, achieve enviable levels of quality, health and safety, plan and manage long-term sustainable operations, processes and supply chains, and promote their organization into a leading brand contributing to the circular economy. In essence, to provide one holistic service that not only provides consultancy and advice, but also the capability to fully implement its recommendations through the delivery of hard and soft services. Now, there's no doubting the levels of capability provided by a number of consultancies within the areas of compliance or HAS management, waste minimization, equipment supply, environmental management, carbon and water measurement, ISO accreditation and closed-loop systems. But the problem for customers is there is just so much choice and no assurance of consistent quality. And not only that, many of the interdependent business objectives that I've already shown on this webinar require one consultancy to coordinate efficiently and ensure delivery and prioritize accurately. Now, the alternative, many alternatives vying for more time, which may involve reinventing the wheel and potentially protracting solution delivery at varying levels of quality. Now, R3MC will provide and coordinate a complete range of products fit for purpose and complete end-to-end solution. Now, the icons seen here represent our services and products, and they complete the range of our services which run throughout our brochures and our website. And I do ask you to have a look at our website as soon as you can to have a look at more details of these services. Not only do we include descriptions and definitions of these services, but we've also included a number of our case studies and success stories on our website, including a number of initiatives we've recently delivered to key clients. Within those case studies, we've included a story about our closed-loop collection of used cooking oil from our customers turned into biodiesel to fuel part of a municipal fleet. Also, we've achieved zero landfill and zero waste management costs at various manufacturing organizations. Also preventing a potential environmental incident by project managing a hazard waste spill cleanup over one rainy weekend. And we've also included a detailed study of how we scoped out an on-site resource processing facility to help a large food manufacturer recover its own energy from waste and, of course, therefore reduce reliance on external suppliers and hauliers. Now, a broad range of eco-economic products and services have not only maximized the value of our clients' resources, but they've also removed the hassle factor, a key benefit. Not only for a number of complex manufacturing organizations, but all businesses who prefer one partner to facilitate and support initiatives that fit culturally and work efficiently for the long term. Now, we hope our website and our proposition comes across as a fresh, modern, and simple business, but most importantly, accessible to all who are looking for help in delivering sustainable initiatives. During the launch of R3MC, having spoken to a number of trade journalists, we sort of all agreed that the waste and recycling industry didn't have a great record of attracting the greatest industrial minds or recruiting top creative talent. It certainly wasn't sexy. This, we feel, will change. The significant sustainable rewards associated with being part of the circular economy are now globally recognized. It's estimated that net annual material cost savings within the manufacturing sectors within the EU could reach near $400 million US. And by 2050, trading benefits within the circular economy could reach $1 trillion US. Now, with this significant business case comes greater attention, participation and investment. And therefore, there is a greater need to coordinate and to collaborate and to facilitate these activities. Now, R3MC will probably never be sexy, but it will, along with its partners, play a large part in the resource revolution. Thank you for your time. I look forward to speaking to you soon. And don't forget, please visit our website whenever you can. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.